All right, you guys. There's a little peek into there. Well, now you know what this exhaust sounds like. Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy ZT Zoomin, and I'm back with another booming video for y'all. So I am excited about the one we have today. You already saw it, the Corsa NPP exhaust for the 6th gen Camaro. Real quick, before we get it cut open, let me explain to you what it is exactly. So Chevy, for Camaros and Corvettes, they make NPP, which is their production code for their valved exhaust. So as you can see, there's the valve inside of there. So Corsa made their own valved exhaust, just like what was on there from factory. Now, if you guys look, I obviously have both of my mufflers on there, but I had an issue with my muffler where it was rattling. You can hear it there. It's just loose in there. So it's like the pin that holds this valve in there, it got loose for some reason. I'm not exactly sure what happened, but I got a replacement one sent out from Corsa. Shout out to freaking Corsa, awesome company. They sent me out a completely new muffler. So I'm kind of left over with this one. Anyways, this muffler has only been out a couple of months, and I have been getting blown up by you guys asking me to cut it open. So today is the day to do it. I'm dying to know what's in there. I know you're dying to know what's in there. So let's get into it. I literally have every single one of my workstations taken up with something. Corsa boxes that are empty, I haven't thrown them away. Pro charger box I'm about to install on my 6th gen Camaro. This table over here just got random crap on. I seriously got to spend a day getting this place organized. I'm gonna clear myself out a spot, get the tools we need, let's get it. Boom, so here it is, you guys. This is Corsa's muffler. Now, like I was saying, this is the valve side. So when this valve closes, it reroutes the exhaust fumes back into here. And we all wanna know what's back in here. So that's what we're about to find out on today's video. I got my grinder here. The wheel's a little bit short on it. I got an extra wheel just in case this one grinds all the way down. Now Corsa's exhaust, Corsa comes with their own special, I believe they call it RSC. They scream when you get on it, but when you're cruising, they have 0 drone. So that's what their RSC technology does. So I'm just dying to see how it works, man. Put the shades back on just so I don't have any issues. Not quite sure what's the best way to do it. Thinking I'm gonna cut it along the middle and then cut these outside edges, and then we'll fillet this thing open. Hopefully. That's my GoPro in the background. Want to make sure I got all the angles for you guys. 1, 2, 3, let's get it. Nice thick piece of metal, that's for sure. I think my grinder's about done, but let me show you guys what I got. That's what we've cut so far. I'm gonna swap my grinder wheel out and we'll keep getting it. Trying to take it a little bit slower on this side just so I don't eat up my freaking thing again, because I don't know if I've got another wheel. Got a slit cut in it all the way down the middle there. I'm going a lot slower now because I just don't want to destroy my grinder wheel. Taking it way slower. I don't know if I have another one. The way that one mounts, the hole in the center of it is much smaller than the extra ones that I had. So yeah, that's my bad. I'm just taking my time now. But we almost there. Sorry about the noise from the compressor going, but while we let this thing fill up with air, let's see if we can see anything inside. You guys see those holes right in there? That's light shining through. So that's part of the muffler inside of there. Let's get it. close, y'all. We getting close. We got that done, that done, that done. I think we did it, y'all. Let's pry this baby open. Tight? We still gotta cut the other side. And I swear to you guys, you can definitely tell by this metal, I have not bent it over and checked it at all yet. My first look will be the same as your guys' first look. Damn, I don't even think I can make it through this last one. My ears are ringing. I don't care if I look goofy. So this is what we're looking like so far. As you can see, we've got this side cut. I'm working on the other side here. Let's go. We're there, we're there, we're there. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. All right, you guys. There's a little peek into there. All right, you guys, it is finally freaking time. Let's do it, man. Alright, you guys, so you guys can see it here in this camera. So the way that this exhaust works is back here on this back side, this is where the exhaust flow coming from the motor and the mid pipe would flow into here. And if you have this valve open, it's going to shoot straight out of there. You turn the valve closed, blocks off the air from coming through, reroutes it back into here. And the way Corsa's is set up, it looks like it comes out and goes out this little hole here. Once it comes out the hole, fills up this chamber to absorb some of the noise, and then it flows down into here. The little pipe is just a straight through setup, and then it looks like probably around here in this canister, they probably got some glass packing material or whatever the exhaust material is to tamping down the sound, like they put in resonators and things like that. Beautiful on the inside too. Even all the welds on the inside of here, if you guys can see, these are just like perfect freaking welds. Corsa is an awesome freaking company. They just do shit right. Pretty simple design, honestly. There's really not too much to it. It's simple, it's clever, it works. I mean, I'm shocked when you look how this gas is rerouted, how small this canister is, that is absorbing that much of the noise. Because when I got my Corsa NPP, the thing I was shocked by the most is the difference between valves closed and valves open. It is so much more significant than the difference in sound on the factory NPP. That one is noticeable, but this one is like, whoa, it'll blow your mind. Because like I said, when the valve is open, this thing is screaming down the road. And then the valve's closed, you wouldn't even know you had an exhaust on there. I also have the Corsa mid pipe, so the double X pipe, so that definitely adds to my noise too. It removes the secondary cats. Boom, so there it is. That's what it looks like, you guys. That's the inside of the Corsa NPP. I told you guys I was gonna come through for you. You guys were hitting me up like crazy. You know I got you. If you guys like this video, consider sharing the video. I'm trying to grow this like crazy. I need your guys' help. Drop a like, comment down below. You know I always reply to you guys. This your boy ZT zooming with another booming video, and I'm out this thing, baby. Peace. Make sure I got all the best angles for you guys. This thing's shutting off? What? GoPros are so finicky. GoPro died. If you guys only got 2 camera angles, it's all the GoPro's fault. Brought 2 batteries out here, still having this. Look, this thing's done, man. Brand new GoPro Hero 9. That's a piece of junk.